everybody, and welcome back to the channel, and today I am unboxing more of the Tiger mystery boxes and bags. So I hope everyone is doing really well from the last video I did of these, and I'm a bit obsessed because now I've bought 3 more. And the one in London actually had a £5 one too, and it's a lot bigger from the last ones I had, as you can tell. So I have loads to unbox. I even bought a kids one as well, just so you can see what's in a kids one. I saw a bit of arts and crafts stuff in there, and whoever actually knows me, like in person, they know that I'm a bit of a craft person. So I think I'll open the kids one up first because I am a child. So let's get this one open. So whoever's actually interested in seeing me do more of these, please obviously like this video because, you know, I do love doing these. And whoever wants to see me like the first one I did, please I'll put a link below so you can watch more of these. So this is now open and I can't wait to show you all the stuff that's in here. So first one is some stickers, and it's a bit like there's more up there, but I think it's just where it's moved. And these are space stickers, and I love space. Like, it's crazy how much like I even have a tattoo like here of space, so it's pretty cool. I love the ice cream and the record player, and just I can't see the other two, but that's amazing. I love that, and I definitely will use that. And next up is a candy cane. Okay, so this is probably they're trying to get rid of stock from Christmas, and this is actually a pencil. It is really, really cool. So I did explain what Tiger is in my last video, like sort of brief summary of what it is. It's just a bits and bobs shop. It just has a bit of everything in it, and it is really, really cheap. In my last video I didn't know like where they were from, and someone said they are from Sweden actually, so I'm sorry if anyone actually got offended that I got it wrong, but I don't know things. So next up is a highlighter. So this is it's useful. I definitely will use it. I'll bring it to work and it'll probably be gone within a few days. So yeah, my next one is, I don't know, what is this? Oh, right, I'm a bit confused, right, because it says you can put a drink in it, but for adults, we would use this for shots, and I'd just like to inform you, this is in the kids box, so I guess kids will find this very amusing, as adults would as well. So this will really come in useful. I'll bring it to barbecues, and everyone can have a laugh about it. Next up is... These just get weirder and weirder every time I take something out the box. Damn, okay. So I believe it's a pencil, right? And I think it's sticky notes on top of the pencil. Now, I'm not going to get this out of it because, yeah, I don't know. Oh, no. I thought I would need scissors, but I don't. I have the strength. This is... I guess, so this is the pencil that you'll need to sharpen. And how far does that go? Because obviously some sticky notes will have the hole in it, but at the top it doesn't. I don't know. That's very interesting. I'll take it to work as usual because I use sticky notes like crazy at work. And the last thing in the box. Oh my god, that is so cute. They're little glitter tapes. I use like... Well, I don't use it as much anymore with my art, but I used to use washi tape a lot. So having like little tapes of glitter, that is really good. I would like to say that is the £3 box or bag from Tiger, and that's the kids one. I don't normally buy kids ones just because, you know, it's all kids stuff, and last time we accidentally bought a kids one and it had all weird toys and stuff in it. But no, this was a really good box. So we have a shot glass, which is not for kids. We have this very weird pencil and sticky note thing, a highlighter, and a candy cane thing, and probably something else. Oh, and the stickers. a really good box. And once again, it probably happened in my last Target video, but the sun is doing a thing. I moved the curtains and then by the time I started filming it's moved, so I'm sorry. So I think we're just gonna go in with the big one because I can't wait any longer. I need to see what's in here. Mark very kindly bought this for me, which is my boyfriend if people are new to this channel. So this bag is £5. It is £2 more than the smaller ones, and we got a for teens and adults one, which is a very big one. So I haven't seen what's in it. I don't think I've even looked in the window, so I'm just gonna take out bits and bobs. So the first one we have is a sticky memo pad. This is massive. I won't even need this for work. Like I say, yeah, bring everything to work, but I don't need a sticky memo pad that big. A memo is meant to be really short messages as well. Like, you can write an essay on that. Might be useful. Maybe Mark can have that for his work. Next is... There seems to be a recurring theme with these boxes already. That's you always get plates in here. This is maybe more of a bowl. Oh no, it's definitely a plate. But yeah, we've got another plate. How that happened, I don't know. But next up we have a phone case. Wow, this is for the iPhone X. I don't have an iPhone X. I have a brand new phone. I have the iPhone 11. No, it's not. Yeah, the Pro, but not the Max, because I can't. Why? I know people like, oh yeah, it's a bigger screen, but you're literally holding a bloody tablet. You don't need a big phone like that. But yeah, so I can't use this, so I might try and sell it, or I don't know. I see whoever has the iPhone X wants it. Next up, yay, more craft stuff, and I use this. I actually make resin art, and I use trying to make shakers at the moment, and this would be perfect to put in them. Oh my god, that's so useful. I love that. It's so good. So good. Like I say, in all of these, it may be crap and it may be like good stuff, but you always get your money's worth out of it, even if you don't want the stuff, if that makes sense. So next is a plastic card. So I guess you put someone's name and it goes out like that. I don't know how many there are. I think, oh, there's 6 it says. So 6 in the pack. That's actually quite interesting. That's actually really useful. I don't know how it'd be useful, but it's interesting. Next up in this box, which I think might be the last thing in here, it's envelopes, scrapbook. So you get those like little bits in it. So it's got coffee and bags and stuff. I don't know how I'm going to use it. I definitely won't use her face and anything, but yeah, so I have that. So I think, yep, that is everything in that box. I keep saying box because the mystery, like, obviously the mystery box thing came around, so I'm sorry. I know it's a bag, but I'm going to keep saying box. So this is all the stuff we got from that. I think it's, yeah, definitely get your money's worth out of it. So we've got those things. We've got plastic cards things, which I will use because they're interesting me. The plastic beads for my resin, which I will use, an iPhone X case, which I will probably get some money back for it, a plate again, and some memo pads. So that is all useful stuff and very interesting and very different. Next up, which is the last box, is another £3 one. It's a teens and adults one, so I just want to see what's in here. Without looking, the first, oh my god, these are so cute. I normally try and buy Halloween stuff when it's around, but I never get round to it. But I have ghost napkins. Oh my god. See, some people are going to look at this video and think, oh my god, why she bought all this money for literally clutter and stuff. This is literally just made my day. That is the best thing out of anything I just got. The iPhone case, so forget about it. It's all about ghost napkins. Next up is another phone case. This is in the £3 one. Oh my Jesus Christ, that is so good. So this is a metallic flip case, which I always use on my phones. My phone's just here, so I'll just quickly show you. I always use these because I drop it all the time and I can't afford to replace an iPhone 11 screen. But yeah, this is so good. I don't know what phone it's for. I think it must be for Samsung or something. Oh, it says a Galaxy S9. So, Samsung Galaxy S9 people, you can buy cases in these mystery boxes. Wow, that is more. That is probably £6 in there. And this is £3 and you still get more stuff with it. This half of a leopard, of a cat. Right, I've just looked at it and it's a hook. So you stick it on something and it's a hook. Oh, okay. And this is the last thing. Oh yes, it's another Halloween thing. Oh, cool. Oh, that's so cute. I'm gonna put this on, like, it's called a felt figure. I don't actually know what to put it on because I know it'll break really quickly. But, oh, that's so cute. I think, oh no, there's another thing in here. But no, this is a cute little pumpkin. It's a smiley face and I'm happy. Like, maybe I should try and get a mystery box after the Halloween stuff. Because I love Halloween and if they're gonna, like, make it cheaper, yes. So the last thing in this bag, which I actually don't know what it is, I think it's just a card. And it's actually adorable. It's like a little, like, just a little summery card. And I love stuff like this. Like, I'm someone who is obsessed with summer and Halloween. So to have Halloween stuff and summer stuff in this, it's crazy. So this box was probably the best one by far because of the ghost napkins. So we got the case. We got this, which is really good. I'm definitely going to use it at some point. This cute pumpkin, the hook, which scared me for a moment. And of course these, which are going to be used and they're going to be loved and just really, really good. So that is everything in the box, guys. This was so much better than my last one because my last one I only had 2 boxes and it was all crap except for maybe those highlighters. If you haven't seen it, I'll have a link below and you should definitely watch it. So other than that, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video because I sure did. I have loads of stuff to like look through now. So other than that, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe and I'll see you in the next one, guys. So bye!